Introducing Ambidex, Korea's revolutionary dual-armed robot designed for safe human interaction. Weighing just 2.6 kilograms, it excels in diverse tasks with high agility and precision. Learn how this groundbreaking robot, along with other cutting-edge innovations like the humanoid Menteebot, Google's advanced delivery drone wing, Hydrus AUV, Figure 01, and Oasa R1, is transforming technology in a way that will leave you speechless. Ambidex is a revolutionary dual-armed robot made in Korea with an innovative mechanism developed for safe and harmonious coexistence with humans in various environments. This newly released robot features a groundbreaking cable structure that ensures both strength and stability, making it highly reliable for different tasks. This advanced design allows Ambidex to perform complex operations while maintaining the safety of nearby individuals. By integrating this unique structural approach, the robot excels in performance and sets a new standard for human-robot interaction. This innovative machine, designed to mimic the human arm structure, stands out for its lightweight and flexible architecture, driven by unique cable mechanisms. Weighing only 2.6 kilograms, Ambidex is lighter than the average human arm, enabling it to perform swift and safe interactions with people, such as a high five at a speed of 5 meters per second without posing any injury risk. Ambidex boasts 7 degrees of freedom, mirroring the human arm's capabilities, allowing it to undertake a variety of complex tasks. From dicing sweet potatoes to playing ping pong and assembling furniture, the versatility of Ambidex is impressive. These tasks are learned through a haptic device that teaches the robot how humans perform specific actions, paving the way for a future where robots can coexist safely with humans and potentially replace human labor in certain contexts. The recently introduced Menteebot is a human-sized robot packed with AI features. It's advertised as the personalized AI-based robot you can mentor. It can run, walk sideways, and even turn, all with the same balance and control as a human. Manufacturer Menteebot Robotics also says it will adjust its gait when lifting heavy objects. It should lift these heavy objects easily because it's absolutely gigantic. Now, we've had humanoid robots for a while, but this one is different than the rest. Menteebot is stuffed with AI algorithms, natural language processing models, and software that unlocks advanced training techniques. The company says that this means the robot is not bound to a limited set of commands, and that it can even hold conversations with humans. As a matter of fact, users issue commands to the robot via natural language. To teach Menteebot a new task, you run a simulated version of the bot through a digital version of the task. The software completes the task over and over until it figures it out. Then the robot should be able to complete the task in the real world. Menteebot does look quite agile. It can run, and the arms and hands present a full range of motion and enough accuracy to perform delicate tasks. Menteebot can also navigate complex environments by combining a 3D model of the world with a dynamic obstacle map. On the first day in a new location, Menteebot generates the 3D model by following a person who shows the robot around. Menteebot will be available in 2 flavors. There's the residential bot, which is forced to do household chores, and the commercial bot, which is forced to do manual labor. Google's Wing introduces a new delivery drone with double the payload. The new design doesn't yet have a name, but it's built to carry orders that currently require 2 drones to deliver. Wing, the drone delivery arm of Google parent Alphabet, responsible for more than 350,000 deliveries across 3 continents, is ready to think bigger. The company unveiled a larger drone to simplify and streamline bigger orders. Wing will work with partners and regulatory stakeholders to introduce the unnamed model, which has double the payload of its predecessor, to service areas worldwide in the next 12 months. The company also received new permissions from the FAA in December, allowing it to fly drones beyond the visual line of sight of the operator, without human observers on the ground. Only a handful of drone delivery providers have that approval, which can improve range and reduce costs by cutting down on human capital. According to internal company data, 70% of Wing's U.S. orders are delivered by a single aircraft. The remaining 30% require 2 or more drones. The company's revamped design aims to address that issue. Wing's larger design emerged from its aircraft library approach, wherein engineers develop various aircraft configurations that build on the core components of its flight-proven aircraft. This allows the firm to quickly adapt its design to meet market needs, such as a bigger drone. The latest design shares much of its hardware and architecture with the drones in Wing's fleet. These can carry up to 2.5 pounds on 12 SM flights, cruising at 65 miles per hour. The new drone maintains that range and speed, but doubles the payload to 5 pounds, using the same standardized cardboard delivery box. It also retains a hybrid aircraft configuration, combining vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) and precision hovering capability with fixed wings for cruise flight. The introduction of a larger aircraft could add to Wing's momentum. Outside of Zipline, which focuses primarily on medical deliveries and is also partnered with Walmart, Wing boasts more deliveries than any other firm. By reducing the number of inefficient 2-drone deliveries, that figure could rise even faster. Meet Hydrus, the autonomous underwater drone revolutionizing underwater data collection by eliminating entry barriers. Hydrus ensures that even users with limited resources can execute precise and regular subsea missions to meet their data needs. Underwater drones are still in their infancy. While filmmakers use them to create stunning art, they are not yet ubiquitous among consumers and enthusiasts. However, Australian company Advanced Navigation believes it can change this with its new Hydrus Autonomous Underwater Vehicle, AUV. The Hydrus AUV aims to do for underwater exploration what drones have done for the aerial segment. Underwater drones aren't new, but Hydrus is exploring oceans in novel and exciting ways. It is less than half a meter long, significantly smaller than many competitors, and can record 4K 60p video, outperforming some larger underwater drones. Hydrus operates without a tether, unlike most underwater drones, which must stay connected to a remote controller, limiting their range and flexibility. Hydrus also features hardware for fully autonomous navigation. Using inertial navigation technology, its onboard accelerometers and gyroscopes track its movements since entering the water. It uses sonar to maintain a user-controlled distance from the seafloor and measures Doppler shift on sonar echoes to judge its speed. A person on a pier or vessel can program specific waypoints on a map, toss Hydrus into the ocean, and let it execute its mission. Unlike many other underwater drones, Hydrus is straightforward to use. It's also much cheaper and safer than sending trained divers into the ocean's depths, especially for monitoring seabed and coral reef health or searching for shipwrecks. The ocean remains relatively unexplored. While Hydrus can't reach the bottom of the sea everywhere on Earth, it can dive to a depth of 3,000 meters and travel up to 9 kilometers from its starting point, which is remarkable. It has the potential to transform oceanic exploration. Given the technological and engineering challenges overcome by the Advanced Navigation team, Hydrus is understandably costly. However, by removing the tether and offering advanced capabilities, Hydrus is pushing underwater drones closer to being truly accessible. Robotics startup Figure unveiled a new humanoid robot called Figure 01 this year. Modeled after the human form, Figure 01 walks on 2 legs and is intended to do manual labor that currently relies on humans. With a labor shortage in the US numbering in the millions, Figure's humanoid is designed to do the jobs people don't want or don't have the skills for, and eventually tackle more advanced tasks like caring for the elderly or cooking meals. Key to Figure's approach is its reliance on artificial intelligence, enabling its robots to learn and improve their abilities. As movements and performance evolve, the robots can progress from basic lifting and carrying tasks to more advanced functions. The work will start in warehouse settings, doing heavy lifting that people don't particularly enjoy. Figure released a new video in July 2024, showing its 01 robot being trained to perform tasks on the factory floor at a BMW car plant. The video shows Figure 01 moving multiple components onto a jig, with placement tolerances the company claims are less than a centimeter. The robot can also make corrections to the placement of components when necessary. Although the tasks are basic, low skill, repetitive, and physically demanding work is ideal for AI-powered humanoid robots like the 01. Since the robots are designed to work in spaces meant for humans, companies don't need expensive redesigns of factory floors to introduce automation. Figure 01 also uses AI-powered language models, enabling human coworkers to interact with it naturally. For example, directions can be given to the robot through speech. Lastly, we would like to highlight this unique lawnmower robot, now available on Kickstarter for $1,200. The Oasa R1 stands out as the world's first consumer-grade robotic reel mower. This innovative device is designed to deliver superior cutting performance that matches the high standards of professional golf course maintenance, thus offering a stress-free lawn care experience for homeowners. The robot is equipped with precision scissor-like blade cuts, which promote lush green grass without causing tearing or damage to the lawn. Moreover, with its advanced LiDAR technology, the Oasa R1 mower is capable of creating a precise 3D map of your lawn, including its boundaries, thanks to its unique hover mode. This ensures fully automated and hassle-free lawn care, allowing users to focus on other tasks without worrying about their grass. The real magic of the Oasa R1 lies in its multi-layered workflow. Utilizing state-of-the-art semantic segmentation technology, the R1 can see and understand its environment, distinguishing between grass, obstacles, and even edges to ensure a meticulous mowing job every time. One of the standout features of the Oasa R1 is its patented reel blade, which is a first in the world of robotic mowers. Unlike traditional mowers that use dulling rotary blades to tear through grass, the R1's wide 335mm reel blade delivers a clean and scissor-like low cut. This action not only reduces stress on grass plants, but also prevents fraying, encouraging a healthier and more lush growth. The success of the Oasa R1 project is evident in its remarkable fundraising achievements on their Kickstarter website. The project has already pledged over €1 million, far surpassing its initial goal of nearly €46,000. This overwhelming support from backers highlights the demand and appreciation for such a revolutionary product in the market. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.